AIOFM is blowing up right now. I've been in this space for 6+ months and put together a full guide from zero to monetizing your own AI. Let's get into it. First, the basics before you start. Go on YouTube, watch AIOFM guides. Even if they're not great, they build basic understanding. Then go to Instagram, find AI models, like, comment, study their content, watch what they post and what performs. This builds intuition. Second, understand the foundation, what LoRa is, what a base model is, what tools you'll use. Without this, you'll get stuck. Third, choose your niche. One of the most important steps. Generic models like blonde blue eyes won't work. Too much competition. You need a unique identity, style, profession, vibe. Decide this up front. Now, LoRa, low rank adaptation, lets you train a model without retraining everything. How it works. You have a base model, generates anything but not your specific face. You collect a dataset, 15 to 25 images of the same person. You train it. Result, a consistent face, your main asset. Base models, flux, harder to use, often looks too plastic, not beginner-friendly. Stable diffusion, powerful but complex, skip for now. Best option, Wan, simple, good results, easy to work with. Quen, more realistic, less polished look. Choose based on your style. Next, your base face. This is the face you'll use for your dataset. Beginners often struggle generating a good one. A strong base face saves time. Dataset creation. Use references from Instagram or Pinterest. Combine base face plus swap prompt. Generate images using tools like Seedream. Download them. Keep same resolution, ideally 1440 by 1080. Create a TXT file. Each image to its own prompt. This keeps training clean and avoids blurry results. Dataset config. Contains training settings. Contains training settings. Don't overcomplicate. Use a proven setup. Training. Use RunPod with tools like Misubi Tuner, Ostrus Toolkit. Load your LoRa. Write prompts. Generate images. Practice. Poses, lighting, environments. Content creation. 2 types. Photo creatives, video creatives. Photo creatives. Take a base image, then use Seedream, then generate variations. Post on threads, Instagram carousels. Video creatives, best for scaling. Video creatives help us grow our audience in Reels. The #1 service is Higgsfield. Nothing else is needed. Purchase a subscription and start generating. 2 approaches. Option 1, Hugging Face, beginner-friendly. No deep technical setup, load models, generate, get results. Second option, Comfy UI workflows. Advanced approach. The downside? It's expensive and limited in flexibility, but for beginners, it's a solid starting point. Use or build workflows for generating AI models and videos. Full control, better quality, more consistency. Flexible settings, full customization. Takes time to learn, but gives the best results. Now, marketing. This is 70% of your success. If you understand it, you scale fast. If not, you learn through mistakes. What I use: threads. Simple strategy. Post images, reuse competitor captions, grow followers, then redirect traffic to Instagram. Instagram equals main income source. That's where the paying audience is. Flow, threads to Instagram to monetization. Monetization, use a bridge page, like Linktree. Keep it simple. Instagram, fan view, nothing else. Drive traffic to fan view. Set free subscription to increase conversions. After sign up, send an automatic message. You'll need a chatter, you, a friend, or a hired person. This is critical. Most money comes from chatting, not subscriptions. Chatting, that's the full system. Basics, LoRa, workflows, dataset, content, marketing, monetization. Each part can be a deep dive. More guides coming. Final thoughts. AIOFM is still early. It's not saturated. New tools and strategies keep appearing. Demand is growing. If you're ready to work, this space can make money. Stay consistent and keep learning. Good luck.